is going to get back there and hit the button. And we're going to activate the tree, and there they go.
She didn't put it in 4-wheel drive. I'm going to give her crap for that.
Same.
Yeah. More boost, more boost. Mackenzie's getting put in a timeout for a little bit. We're actually on the way to pick up her new truck. We figured she just was having a tough time with the 3rd gen last weekend, so I had to get her something different. So we're currently on the way to a local dealer. Brand new.
Brand new?
Brand new.
Right off the factory floor?
Yeah, right off the assembly line.
Wow. Maybe that's what I need, a newer truck.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, someone with a little bit better brakes.
More, yeah.
So you can't push through the brakes, a little bit more power.
Yeah. So, where's this dealership at?
Oh, we just made it?
To, Walmart?
Yep.
I mean, I know they'll do your tires and stuff, but I didn't know that they sold trucks.
Yeah.
Really?
It's not quite a truck. So it's got 4 wheels though.
Okay.
Yeah. I don't know if there's a class that this could be entered into, but
really,
we might talk with.
Is it that fast?
I don't know if there's a class that this could be entered into, but we'll talk to the people that run the shows and stuff and see if they can
KOI.
make a new
Guys
class.
at KOI are always nice.
Yeah. They do like.
Yeah, those guys are great.
They'll do powder puffs. Maybe they'll do like Pee-wee.
Pee-wee?
What?
Where's my car at?
Spider-Man. What do you think?
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Let's go get a cart.
Okay.
It's all 3 years old.
I know.
Don't adults like Spider-Man too?
Adults need to learn how to race. Here, I'll do this.
Give me the horn.
Why do you need the horn?
Because I want the horn. If anybody hops out, I'm beeping the horn. Come through. We're gonna get kicked out. This is one of those videos you see where like, you can't record in here, sir, if I keep beeping this horn. How do you feel about your new whip?
Well, very few people may know this, and don't go blabbing, but I am Spider-Man.
What? Hey, it was your idea. I'm just wasting the $120-something to get the Spider-Man.
This is not a waste.
I feel like you're gonna want to keep it. You're like my Spider-Man. Yeah.
So, is this a taxi rifle?
No.
Gonna be able to get it? Oh!
It's got a water cannon.
What?
Yeah.
Oh, we're keeping that.
gun.
Did you see the rims on it?
Yeah.
Pretty sweet.
Blue.
Pretty sweet.
He's probably like, what the heck is wrong? I think I'm out of here.
Yeah, look at him. He just needs to run there, dude.
What is happening? Did you see that? I didn't have the camera up there.
He was like, okay.
Did he?
Yeah,
I had it down here, so I didn't like. He is gone though. He's like.
You're like, what the?
Hey, you done working on this thing yet? You've been over here for hours. What are you doing?
I know. Well, I had to make a couple modifications.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I think she's about ready to roll.
About ready to
Get
roll.
her off the lift here and charge her up.
What all did you do to it?
Oh, you'll see. You'll see.
Sitting here working on some trucks. Got this nice 6.0 here in the shop. Getting a bulletproof clean 07 in the shop for some steering repairs. What is going on over here? Oh, is she ready?
Gotta go drive it around first though. Make sure it's Race strap is ready.
Come back, keep coming. A little more, a little more, a little more, a little more. We'll do a burnout. Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. You going or what?
Yeah, let's go. Oh.
We're good. We're good. We're good.
We driving this all the way to the store?
Oh, you know it. Oh, you
In high gear. Uh-oh. Need a boost?
Yeah, if you wouldn't mind.
All right, ready?
Hit me with some nitrous. Thank you.
Oh.
Hit me again.
I don't know if we're gonna make it all the way there.
It is gonna take forever.
It's gonna take a while. Third gen?
Just don't tell me.
Okay, I won't tell anybody. You gonna wear the helmet in there too?
Yeah.
People are gonna think you're crazy.
Safety first, dude.
Yeah.
Yeah.
For all this horsepower.
Yeah.
You know, it's a half horse engine.
Wow.
Yeah. So you have literally
Pony.
1/1000th of what that has.
And you're asking me if I need to wear the helmet.
Yeah.
Come on.
Yeah.
We're gonna do a little test hit down the alley, but first I'm kind of hungry, so I think we're gonna run into the store real
Go
quick.
get some snacks. You know the people at this store?
This store?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
They're gonna be cool with
Been
this?
back a long time.
Yeah. Give you a little nitrous boost here and there.
Yeah. My nitrous
It's just
valve
like-
must be plugged.
You got 5-position switch on this thing?
Oh, you know it.
Yeah.
Check this out.
Yeah.
Got park, reverse, neutral, drive. P.
P plus? What's
P
the
for
P?
power.
Power.
So I
Oh,
turn it up
like
and
power
down.
stroke. Is this a power stroke? Oh. You can come
After
out.
you, sir.
Come on out.
We'll be here a while.
Yep. What are we shopping for?
I won't. I'm on turn 1. Nobody has any faith in me these days.
No.
You know? You launch it in 2-wheel once. You red light. You can't go to any boost and all of a sudden you're the worst driver on the
Forgot.
planet.
Good thing this thing only has 2-wheel drive.
You know,
Actually,
right?
it's 1-wheel
You
drive.
have to think about it.
It's not even 2-wheel drive. It's 1-wheel drive.
Uh-oh.
Kill it.
There we go.
We're back.
I just had to get a rolling start to it. Thank you.
You gonna make that turn?
Oh, you know I can.
Want me to just pull your butt end around?
No.
You're just gonna do a 20-point turn?
Yes.
You're gonna get stuck.
I won't.
You're gonna get stuck.
Oh, what was that? What was that? I can't hear you. I'm going too fast.
What is that?
It's my new race car. You like it?
That was pretty cool. I like that. This is Spiderman-themed.
Yeah, because I'm Spider-Man.
That's sick.
Hey, you got any poppers?
Yeah. How many do you want to get?
4.
Those all for you?
6.
We're gonna have to take this thing back to the mechanic.
I know.
Struggling.
Who put this thing together?
I don't know.
I
What?
did discount those, so
Ah,
I
that's
can do
fine.
it up there.
I'll pay full price. Thank you.
Have
Want any ice cream?
What do I got?
The Butterfinger ice cream bars are really good.
Let's do that.
Butterfingers?
Like Butterfinger candy bars, they're good.
I don't, but we'll eat them.
You don't?
No.
Oh, then get Snickers.
Would you eat a Snickers?
Yeah.
Or you prefer
I
Butterfingers?
might need it.
She might need it after we pull this thing behind the third gen.
Oh, yeah.
Just don't tell Dave we're doing unsafe activities.
Yeah. I've got a helmet this time.
You
Should
should
we
put knee pads on. Be like, I have knee pads and a helmet. What more do you
Yeah.
want?
Helmet. That's more than most bikers.
should we put a roll cage on this? Make it out of like out of old broomsticks?
Hey, can I get another pair of sunglasses?
Sure.
I think you should do orange.
Orange? Okay.
Yeah.
It's got a visor. It's not shaded. Oh.
You open, man? Sure. I don't want to hold up the line or nothing. That,
Here, I'll slide this to you. Make it look like you paid for it. You gonna fill the tank up while you're here?
This ain't a gas station.
Now you gotta pretend to kick
Don't
her out.
take a drive. Yeah, can you ban me real quick? If I start honking my horn, will you do it?
Oh man.
Don't come again.
Careful.
That's quite a drop. Oh, jeez. Alright, Kenzie's out driving her new. What the heck is going on over here? Oh, I think I found Kenzie. She must have broke down. She's run out of battery. Let me check, see if she needs a tow. Oh, she doesn't look too happy. Hey, Kenzie. Need a tow or something? Your new whip breakdown?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Stinking alternator.
What happened? The alternator go out?
Yeah.
Dang. Well, I just so happen to have a tow strap in the back here.
Really?
How fast do you think this can go with the little turbo boost?
Yes.
Yes.
You could go faster than that.
Really?
Yeah, it felt fine.
I think your axle shaft's coming out.
Nah, we're good. Hit it again.
We're gonna return it anyway, so.
Yeah.
Would that be wrong? First testing Spider-Man and returning it at the end?
How fast were you going?
Like 7.
Oh, you can go faster than that. Just don't slam on your brakes.
All I heard was a lot of scraping. I was still in one piece. I was almost up to 20.
Really?
Yeah.
Holy crap.
Maybe like 16.
What did it say on the thing? Because we both know it's
16.
off. You're going 21
Probably
then.
20. This is rated at 2.5 miles an hour, mind you.
Yeah. So, she can go pretty quick.
Yeah.
And that's what we do. Performance.
Turbo boost.
Well, closing thoughts.
Yeah, once you finish learning how to drive this bad boy right here, then you can hop back in the 3rd gen for racing. But I guess you'll just stick to doing burnouts in the 3rd gen for now.
I had nothing to do with that.
No?